Bayti Real Estate is delighted to offer this office space in Barsha Valley Tower, located in Barsha 1. At 560 square feet, this unit is offered as a fitted finish and is situated on a low floor. The office is bright, compact and ready for use immediately. Visitor on-street parking available, and with a good range of local amenities, this is a perfect area to position your business. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.